So if you're looking for a way to free up memory on your devices, whether that may be your laptop, your tablets, your computers, or even your phones, then I would love to show you this flash drive by Techkey. This is a universal flash drive, which means it works with any device you may have. Hi, my name is Marlena, and I have grown sick and tired of paying for subscriptions. So one of the things I pay for every month is iCloud storage. And I take a lot of videos, I take a lot of pictures, so I always feel like I'm always maxing out on my storage capacity, which I'm always having to look at, do I upgrade that storage and pay more per month, or do I find another way to start storing pictures and videos? And that's when I started looking into flash drives like this one from Techkey. So this Techkey flash drive is 128 gigabytes, which is great. I'm super excited to use it to get all that memory freed up on my phone. But what's nice about this flash drive compared to other ones out there is that it's universal, meaning that it can fit any device out there. Because it has a C port, it has a Lightning port, and it also has a USB port. So taking it out of the box, I am already just super impressed with the quality of the packaging for this flash drive. Inside, you get this nice little envelope by Techkey, where inside has the instructions or user manual for the flash drive. And then inside of that, there is a little thank you note with a bunch of fun stickers in there. And then inside, this is what the flash drive looks like in its packaging. So in it, you get the flash drive itself, which this is where it has all the ports I was telling you about. So it has the USB, the Type-C, and then the Lightning port there. So this will work with any device because it's universal. Inside the box, you also get this nice little lanyard here, which turns this thing into a keychain, which is very nice because I don't know about y'all, but things this small I tend to lose very easily. But with this little cable here, you just loop it around the outside of the flash drive, and now it's a keychain. But I'm just super impressed with the size of this flash drive. For it being 128 gigabytes with it having 3 ports, it is a great size. And then the actual body of it is made out of a metal. So that will help to just protect this thing if you're throwing it into your suitcase or your backpacks, because it is made out of that metal material. It's going to make it way more durable than using something that's made out of plastic. So with this flash drive, if you're using this on an iPhone like I plan on using it, there is an app that you can download where you can really control what you store onto the flash drive itself. So you can really go through, select any pictures, videos, contact information to store it on the flash drive. You can really be customizable. And the app itself, I'll throw up a little video of how the app works, but the app is just super easy to use. And it's very easy to store things to this flash drive as well. My first impressions of this Techkey flash drive is great. Like, I just really impressed with the quality of this flash drive for how much I paid for it. If you're looking for something to free up that memory on those devices, I highly recommend it. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.